Welcome to Review Lab. The best Pit Boss Auger motor is probably one of the most crucial components of your pellet grill, responsible for feeding wood pellets into the fire pot to maintain consistent temperature and smoke production, and if yours is acting up, it can lead to frustratingly uneven cooking and a less than ideal grilling experience, making a reliable replacement or upgrade essential for any serious Pit Boss owner. Number 5. Upgraded 2.0 revolutions per minute auger motor replacement. This powerful replacement is designed to fit a wide range of pellet grills from popular brands like Traeger, Pit Boss, Camp Chef, and more. Ensure your grill is ready for your next cookout. Experience smoother operation with our upgraded 2.0 revolutions per minute motor, offering 25% more power than standard models. It effectively minimizes temperature swings and prevents clogs for consistent results. Built with high-quality, heat-resistant wiring and rigorously tested at the factory, this motor is made to last. Enjoy reliable performance for countless grilling sessions. Get your grill back up and running in minutes with its simple plug-and-play design. This replacement saves you time and money on repairs. Your purchase includes the 2.0 revolutions per minute, 120V auger motor, ready to power your grill's auger. Please verify compatibility with your specific grill model before ordering. Our dedicated engineering team is available around the clock to assist with any questions or issues you may encounter. We're here to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This auger motor offers exceptional compatibility across many popular grill brands. Its powerful 2.0 revolutions per minute ensures smoother operation and fewer clogs. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality replacement that fits a wide range of grills, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The auger motor is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install, took about 15 minutes. Works great. Number 4. Stanbroil Universal Auger Motor for Pellet Grills. Is your pellet grill's auger motor not working correctly? This replacement motor is designed to get your grill back up and running smoothly. This motor is compatible with most Traeger and Pit Boss wood pellet grills. It's a versatile solution for many grill owners. Featuring 1.6 revolutions per minute and a 120V 60Hz 2-pole design, it provides reliable performance for consistent feeding of wood pellets. Constructed with high-temperature resistant wire and heavy-duty plastic, this motor is built for durability and long-term use. Replacing your old motor is straightforward. Follow the simple steps to install the new unit and enjoy your grill again. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. This option provides a standard 1.6 revolutions per minute, suitable for many common grill needs. It's constructed with durable, high-temperature resistant materials for longevity. If you need a straightforward, dependable replacement and value-responsive customer support, this motor is a solid pick. What people say. The auger motor is a direct replacement for the original, making installation straightforward. It operates quietly and efficiently, ensuring consistent pellet delivery to the fire pot. The motor has a robust build, suggesting good durability for long-term use. Number 3. Universal Auger Motor for Pellet Grills. Upgrade your grill with our high-quality auger motor. It's built with durable, high-temperature resistant materials for a longer lifespan and better performance. Experience smoother grill operation with our 2.0 revolutions per minute auger motor. It provides stronger power, reducing temperature fluctuations and preventing clogs for a better grilling experience. This heavy-duty motor is designed to be compatible with Traeger, Pit Boss, and Camp Chef wood pellet grills. It's the perfect replacement part for your smoker. Get back to barbecuing faster with our easy-to-install motor. Simply plug it in for a quick and hassle-free setup, saving you valuable time. We stand by our product. If you have any questions or concerns about your new auger motor, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. What we like. Featuring a 2.0 revolutions per minute motor, this replacement offers enhanced power for smoother grilling and reduced clogging. The high-temperature resistant wire ensures durability. If you prioritize a quick, plug-and-play installation and a performance boost over standard motors, this is the one for you. What people say. The auger motor works great and is a direct replacement for the original. This auger motor is a perfect fit and easy to install, making my grill work like new again. Number 2. Unifit Universal Feeding Gear Auger Motor. Introducing the Unifit Universal Feeding Gear Auger Motor. This powerful 120V AC motor provides strong torque for your pellet smoker. With a 2.0 revolutions per minute and clockwise rotation, it ensures consistent feeding for your grill. Its durable design is built to last. This auger motor is designed to fit most Pit Boss pellet grill models. It's a reliable replacement part for your existing unit. It's also compatible with Traeger pellet grills manufactured after 2006 that use an AC motor. Enjoy seamless integration with your grill. This 2 revolutions per minute motor is a great replacement for many Z Grills models. Please check compatibility for specific models, as some require a 1.6 revolutions per minute motor. Camp Chef pellet grill owners will also find this motor to be a perfect fit. It's designed for all their pellet grill models. What we like. This motor boasts a strong 2.0 revolutions per minute torque, designed for robust performance. Its universal fit makes it a versatile option for many Pit Boss, Traeger, and Z grills. If you're seeking a powerful and durable motor that offers broad compatibility, this is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The auger motor is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. Easy to install and the pellet feed is consistent. The motor runs smoothly and quietly, ensuring a steady supply of pellets to the fire pot. Number 1. Upgraded 2.5 revolutions per minute auger motor for pellet grills. Introducing our upgraded 2.5 revolutions per minute auger motor, designed to be compatible with a wide range of wood pellet grills. It's the perfect replacement part to keep your grill running smoothly. Experience stronger power with our 2.5 revolutions per minute motor, outperforming older 1.6 and 2.0 revolutions per minute models. This enhanced performance helps reduce temperature fluctuations and prevents clogging, ensuring a more stable grilling experience. Built with high-quality, high-temperature resistant materials, this motor is designed for longevity and durability. Its 2-pole design ensures high efficiency and reliability, even under demanding conditions. Get your grill back in action quickly with our easy plug-and-play installation. Simply replace your old or damaged motor and enjoy hassle-free grilling. We're here to help. If you have any questions or concerns about your new motor, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're committed to providing you with a satisfactory solution within 12 hours. What we like. With an upgraded 2.5 revolutions per minute, this motor delivers the strongest power output for the smoothest grilling experience and minimal clogging. Its 2-pole design ensures high efficiency and reliability. If you demand the absolute best performance and are looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution to maximize your grill's potential, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The auger motor is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. Easy to install, took about 15 minutes to swap out the old one and get the grill running again. The motor is quiet and seems to be more powerful than the original. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.